up, y'all, and welcome back to Say It With a T-Shirt. Once again, it's your girl Tina. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a simple, little Father's Day gift. But before I get into the video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn them notifications on so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. With that being said, we're just gonna use this little 3-piece set. It's aftershave balm, the little spray, smell good spray, and some shower gel. And it's compared to Aventus by Creed. We got this triple blade razor. We have some Be Pure beard wash and conditioner. Be Pure razor bump and ingrown hair solution. We have the gentle exfoliate cleaning shave brush. Guess they wash their face with that, their little beard and stuff first. And then we have the world greatest dad socks. Oh, and we're going to be putting it all together in this little cute little toolbox. this is the basket. Just something simple. Not a lot, because in my area, it seems as if people don't really care about their dads as much. So they really don't buy anything. So I was just trying to do something simple. And I'm figuring maybe about $35. Yeah, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50. Maybe $8. Yeah, about $30, $35 for them to spend on their dad to say that they gave them something for Father's Day. So this is it. Now I just have to wrap it and put a bow on it. Please comment down below. How did you think it turned out? Your thoughts about it. Any suggestions? So with that being said, guys, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. So until next video, guys. Bye.